Hello rail fans, and welcome to a new video here on the Rusty Boxcar channel. Today we're going to try something new called Rusty Bolts, which is somewhat similar to Virtual Rail Fans' weekly grab bag. I was looking for a name to call it. Rusty Bolts seemed kind of interesting because of bolts of action. But this is going to be a recap of yesterday, Saturday, October 5th. And our quest to track down CSX train B241, which was a loaded train making its way south with two Canadian National leaders and a Canadian National mid-train DPU. That mid-train DPU was one of the CN 100 anniversary units. So while we were waiting for that, we managed to catch 6 other trains. And so this will just be a quick recap video of the motive power from each of those 7 trains, as well as any cars that we saw pass that seemed interesting. There's some older boxcars, Pan Am, an old rail boxcar, some other interesting pieces of equipment that you don't normally see. So just thought we'd put this quick recap video together. We'll see what you guys think of it, if you like it. If you like this format, instead of watching the entire trains pass, maybe we'll mix it up in the future and do maybe do a weekly Rusty Bolts, or do one every few weeks in addition to the full train videos that we put out. So hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and we'll be back soon with a new video for you. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it out there. If you did, please drop down below and click that thumbs up button to give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, either clicking the subscribe button down below, or you can hit the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen. Drop us a comment also. We enjoy those and we'll try to answer them as fast as we can.